Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you stopping by. Hope everybody's having a good day. So today we are going to be doing a test of P&S Brake Buster, which is a non-acid wheel cleaner. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a dry application and a wet application. And what I mean by wet application is we're going to rinse the wheel off prior to applying Brake Buster. So this is the first wheel that I'm going to be doing, and it's going to be both on the front side of the car. And as you can see, the wheel is pretty dirty. I'll take a close-up of each wheel and show you what it looks like prior to doing anything. So here's a close-up of it. So you can see I kind of wiped away a little area where there's dirt, just to kind of show you what it looks like. So on this side, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and just apply Brake Buster, and according to the instructions, all you have to do is let it stand for about 1 minute or greater. And it says it doesn't say anything in regards to rinsing the wheel first or anything like that. All it says is spray on wheel. So there are the instructions right there. I'll give you a moment to look at that. So like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let it spray. I'm going to spray it on there, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so we'll give it about 1 minute, and then we'll rinse it off. I'm going to go ahead and grab my pressure washer, and what I'm doing is I'm doing this with a 25-degree nozzle at about 1,000 psi. So I'll be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and rinse the wheel off and see how it does. Okay, so the wheel is rinsed off, and let's go ahead and take a close-up. And I'll kind of rub my finger just to kind of show you if there's any dirt left. Still some dirt left right there. Like I said, this is just a test because I typically do agitate all my wheels. And my wheels had probably about 2,000 miles worth of brake dust, and these are performance brakes, so they do tend to have a lot of dust. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and do the other side with just a wet application. First we'll rinse the wheel, and then we'll see what it looks like to see if that helps any. Okay, so here's the other wheel, and as you can see right about there, I went ahead and cleaned a spot off to show you that the wheel is dirty. So like I said, on this side we're going to be doing a wet application. So what I'll do first is I will spray the wheel down with the pressure washer a good amount, and then we will spray the Brake Buster and let it sit for about 1 minute and see how it does. Okay, so let's go ahead and spray the wheel down. And next I'll go ahead and apply the Brake Buster. And we'll go ahead and give it a minute. And to be honest with you, this is actually my preferred method of application, simply because, you know, first you get the first layer of dirt off, and then if there's anything left, then it breaks it down a lot easier. So I'll go ahead and give it 1 minute here. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and rinse the wheel off and see how it does. Okay, now I'll bring you guys in for a close-up, and we'll see if there's any visible areas where there's dirt left. Yeah, still some dirt left on there. Unless that was just on my finger. Let me try it. Let me do a different finger here. Yeah, there's definitely dirt left. So as you can tell, you know, doing it straight without doing any type of agitation is probably not the best method. Like I said, I usually agitate my wheel before I do the final rinse after I spray it. So that's actually, I think, the best method. And you know, if you do use this method, what you can do is you know, wipe the final layer of dirt or whatever's dirt left after, when you dry the car, with a dedicated towel just for the wheels, and then, you know, those could be throwaway towels. You can just throw them away. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any special requests that you want me to test or anything like that, let me know. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Would appreciate you watching my videos and any other videos coming out. All right, thank you. Have a great day.